Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another BohemStyle monthly subscription box. This box is $34.99 and comes with everything you need to make a few projects except for tools. Now I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to link the individual materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not the entire box. But do keep in mind that sometimes it's hard to find all the materials that we get in this box, so you really are just better off to just get the box if you want to make the project that you see in the picture at the beginning of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. I'll just tighten that. I think I'll put this. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be for Valentine's Day. And there's a little note here. It says, "Dear BohemStyle subscribers, this month I'm excited to present to you an exquisite necklace and bracelet that we will create together. The vibrant blue and green Czech beads with bronze accents create a harmonious and stylish look. These pieces will highlight your individuality and make a perfect addition to your wardrobe. I've recorded a detailed video tutorial to make the creation process easy and enjoyable. With love and inspiration, Natalie and Craftica team." Okay, there's a note. And there's nothing on the back side. And right here, this is the project that they were just talking about. And I'm going to open this up. There is a secret link on here to the video that they were just talking about. And here is a picture of the project. It's a 3-strand necklace with, I think, a 3-strand bracelet, and it looks gorgeous. Copper, blue, green. There's star beads. There's twisted drops. There's dagger beads. It looks like it's going to be really gorgeous. Okay, and if you want to see a bigger version of the designs, at the beginning of this video and at the end, I will have pictures of it all put together. Okay, and it'll be big and blown up. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. And let's see. So here are the daggers. This is the smaller one, not the smallest. There's still a smaller dagger. But this is, I guess I would say the small one, because the other one's extra small. Okay. Oh wow, this is light copper, by the way. There's one that's darker than this, and it's a rusty looking color. It's beautiful. And then we have 6mm copper. This is the light one again. This is Czech fire polish beads. They're beautiful. I actually really love the dark copper. It's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Okay, and then I think my camera falls down because it looks like my view changes all the time. Oh, those are really beautiful. I love those. And it looks like we will be able to reorder them because it doesn't start with a 9. Okay, this is 4mm Czech fire polish beads, and it looks like it's avocado Picasso or chartreuse. Yes, it's green Picasso basically, but they call it avocado. So it's a chartreuse green with Picasso on it. And this is a really nice quality one because look at all the blue Picasso finish on there. Okay, that's what I look for when I go to get green Picasso beads. Okay, and then, oh, we have our drop bead. It's faceted. I think it's dark blue. I think I might have my camera up too high. I feel like I'm reaching really far away. Oh, no way. Oh, maybe it's not blue. I think it's milky purple, like really dark. I have not seen it this dark yet. It kind of looks blue, but up to the light, it's a dark milky purple. It's luxurious. It's so beautiful. Okay, I love that. And then, oh my gosh, wow, I've never seen this color before in this bead. This is a milky blue. It's kind of hard to tell in the baggie. I'll put it here. Oh, you can really see it here. There's purple luster on it, looks like. Okay, maybe you still can't tell. I have to hold it one up. So see, you could see through it. See through the bead? It's transparent. It's gorgeous. It looks like purple luster on the sides. Or bronze. And it's making it look purple with that blue. Okay, those are amazing. I love those. And these are pricey beads, by the way. I think they are sold 8 in a pack. We have beaching wire, a ton of it. This is gold or bronze color. And then we have a eye pin in copper. And then we have 3 8mm copper, anti-copper jump rings. And we have the twisted drop beads. These are huge. This is the biggest size I've seen these in, but they also come in a smaller size. And again, it's that copper color, the light copper. There's an antique copper. That's what I was talking about earlier. It's dark. Those are gorgeous. Okay, and then more jump rings in 6mm. And then we have 2 huge jump rings. Maybe 14mm. They're massive. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see both. Okay. And then, oh my gosh. These are beautiful. They're not cut. These are table cut. These are not. The first time I've ever seen these in their original form before they're cut. And they are chartreuse Picasso or avocado. That's what I usually see. The stores call them as avocado Picasso. These are so beautiful. A while back I did avocado Picasso super duos in a bracelet. I'll put a picture up of the color combination for you guys. This has copper on it in the details, and see how it's rounded? This one's flat. They cut it. It's called table cut. Those are gorgeous. I think these are my faves. I thought those were incredible because of that color, but I've always been a Picasso freak. Those are just amazing. Okay, and then we have super tiny. They have really nice quality jump rings, by the way, at Craftica. This is a 3mm jump ring. Look at that. They're pretty strong. Okay, and then we have 2 lobster claw clasps. And then, looks like I'm already starting a new row. No way! No way, I can't pick it up, it keeps falling. Oh my gosh. Is this green or is it sea foam? It is seafoam green. Or it's aqua. It could be aqua. I have to look at different beads. It could be aqua because of the Picasso. I think it is. Alright, and this bead is usually table cut, and this one is not. I have always seen this table cut. And in case you don't know what I'm talking about, I made a ring. I think this is called a Kiwi bead. Something like that. It looks like a kiwi cut in half. I have made a ring with this bead, the table cut version, a while back. I will put a picture up of that tutorial so you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is it, but not cut. So this is a form before they cut it. It's so gorgeous. Man, those are beautiful. I'm going to have to add these to my shopping cart and these. And those two. Oh, they're not going to be available because it starts with 9. Darn it. Okay, those are beautiful. So beautiful. Alrighty, and then we have star beads. We do. I just use star beads. Yes, so the last Czech Beads exclusive box that I got, December's box, I did a tutorial. I made a necklace, a bracelet, and a pair of bead weaved earrings. It was an entire jewelry set. I'll put a picture up for that in case you didn't see it. November's Czech Beads exclusive box, I'm actually late on that tutorial because I've been sick, but I did do a ring tutorial. If you want, and go check that out, okay? It was a origami bead that I used. So, the star beads here, and I used white star beads in that necklace is what I was trying to say, and that's what made me think of it. Anyways, we have, these are half copper 8mm star beads. So one side is crystal, which means clear, and the other side is copper, and they are gorgeous. Beautiful. The white star beads that I got last month were absolutely gorgeous. They were like milk glass. I love the really big ones. Okay, and then we have an extender chain, and there's just one, it looks like. And then we have a ball head pin that's probably going to be for this bead here. And then we have chain, curb chain. This is really nice. Looks like 4 or 5mm. Let's see how long it is. Okay. I would say maybe 6 inches. So this will be probably for the back of the necklace. Yeah, that's what it looks like in the picture. So this will be cut in half and be put on the back. It's beautiful. It's antiqued. Okay, and then the next thing is seed beads. These look like Tenno Preciosa seed beads. They are a transparent blue color. I love the quality of Czech glass, especially their seed beads. We also have Crimp Beads, and I love these Crimp Beads. Right here is the product code for them. I will link everything here that I'm showing you down there below. I went and bought a whole bunch of these, and I just love the quality of them. They're really strong. They're the strongest Crimp Beads I've tried. Like next to Softflex Crimp Tubes. They're so strong. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is, I believe from the pastel line, this is orange. I haven't seen this one yet. I've seen teal, green, I've seen purple, I've seen multiple colors, but I have not seen this one. And I actually don't know why they call it pastel, because it's not pastel colors, it's just the finish. This matte, it's a matte finish that's on the bead. It's actually a coating, but they call it pastel. So those are 4mm Druks. Beautiful. And they look amazing with the copper. Alrighty, and then after that is this bead here. I think it's called a Squarelet. It's actually a lintel, like a lintel. It's 6mm, so there's Czech glass lintels that are round and the hole is on one side, but instead of being round, this is just a square. And this here looks like a pale blue, like turquoise color with travertine. Travertine is a brown finish that kind of makes it look like rust stains or something on the bead. Yeah, they are beautiful. Alrighty. So those might be put onto jump rings. That's what I do with them. Or they're stringing them on. Let me look at the picture. They're stringing them on. So I like to put lintels on jump rings if I'm not using them in weaving. I usually use lintels in bead weaving projects to make flowers. We have an 8mm melon bead. And I'm just going to leave that in a bag because we have seen many melon beads. Okay, and then we have 3mm Czech fire polish. This is the light copper color again. And then we have my favorite. This is the 4mm Czech fire polish bead, and this is the antique copper. Look at how gorgeous this bead is. It is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to open this. This is the one I was talking about this whole time. I love the dark copper. They're so beautiful. I really like them. There was a necklace that I did with the Czech Beads exclusive box. I think I called it Vintage Garden or something like that. But there was this antique copper flower beads. I'm looking at it over there in my necklace bust. In that necklace. And I'll put a picture up of what I'm talking about. You'll see the antique copper flower beads in it. And I want to say, yes, I also did another one with this color in teardrops from another Czech Beads exclusive box. I have done several tutorials with a Czech Beads exclusive box. So I'll put pictures up of those pieces because I want you to look at the color combinations that I did with those beads. Okay, now the next thing is pinch beads, and this looks like it's the light copper color. I really like these beads for string. I think when they first came out they were actually for weaving, but I find them to be a little screwy to work with. Okay, so it is light copper. It kind of looks like it's not, I guess because of the lighting, but it definitely is. Okay. So there's all the beads in this box. Alright, now remember, I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to link the individual materials you see here. Now sometimes not all of the materials are able to be reordered because they are exclusive for this box. So I think it was these here weren't able to be reordered. I don't know, I'll have to look at the number on the back again, but I will link what I can down there below in the description bar. But if you really love what you see in this box, just get the box. And again, the finished designs for this box, there will be a picture of the finished designs at the beginning and at the end of the video, okay? So you can make up your mind and if you want to get this or not. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.